Diagram shows the plan of a rectangular garden PQRS. The garden consists of a semicircular pond PTS and grassy area PQRST. It is given that SR is equals to 6y meter and QR equals to 7x meter and x is not equal to y. The area of the rectangular garden PQRS is 168 meters square and the perimeter of the grassy area is 60 meter. The pond with uniform depth contains 15.4 meter cube of water. By using pi equals to 22/7, find the depth in meter of water in the pond. So we just need to look at the garden area first. Okay, it is given that the semicircular PTS is a pond, so we mark with a blue. Then the PQRST is a grassy area, so we mark with a green color. Next, it is given that SR is 6y, QR is 7x, x cannot be same as y. Area of PQRS is 168, perimeter of PQRST is 60 meter and volume of water is 15.4 meter cube. So we just need to save all these informations and do it one by one. So we take the first information, which is the area of PQRS. So area of PQRS, which is a rectangle, should be SR times QR. So we know SR is 6y and QR is 7x. So just substitute the values. So we get 42xy is 168 and divide by 42. So we get x is 4. For the second equation, we are given perimeter of PQRST, which is PQ plus QR plus SR plus PTS, which is the curve PTS there. So PQ is 6y, QR is 7x, SR is 6y. For PTS, it is the length of the curve PTS for the semicircle there. So the formula is pi r. So pi is 22/7. R is the radius, which should be 7x/2 because 7x is its diameter there. So then we can cancel out 7 and 7 and 22/2 is 11. So we get 11x. Then substitute PTS equals to 11x there and solve. 7x plus 11x is 18x. 6y plus 6y is 12x. And we divide by 6. We get 2y plus 3x equals to 10. Now we save this second equation. Okay. Now we have to solve. Take the first one. Okay, so in this from this y equals to 4/x. Substitute this value of y into the second equation. Okay, then 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, we have a fraction here, so we times by x. So 8 plus 3x squared is 10x, and into the general form here. Then we need to factorize it. So 3x times x is 3x squared, 4 times 2 is 8. X times 4 is 4x, 3x times 2 is 6x. Now we have to find a suitable operation so that 4x and 6x will give us negative 10x, which should be negative 4x and negative 6x. So we change here to negative 4 and negative 2. Okay, now the calculation is complete. We just need to take 3x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay, then solve. So solve for x. So we should get x equals to 4/3 or x equals to 2. So when x equals to 4/3, y equals to 4/4/3, so which is 3. And when x equals to 2, y equals to 4/2, which is 2. But from the question given, we are told that x cannot be same as y. So we need to reject x equals to 2 here. just need to take x equals to 4 over 3 and y equals to 3. Now we look at the pond. So let's say this is the pond, okay, with the d is its depth and ts is the diameter, which is 7x. Okay, the volume of the water in the pond is same as the area of the PTS times d. D is the depth, the value that we have to find here. Okay, area of PTS, which is a semicircle, is 1 over 2 times pi times r square. Okay, pi is 22 over 7, r is 7x over 2. Okay, substitute the value of r here and substitute the value of pi and x, and we need to simplify this. Okay, we cancel out whatever that we can cancel there. Okay, so we get area of PTS is 308 over 9. We are given the volume is 15.4, so just need to substitute those values, then solve for D. So D is 9 over 20 or 0.45. So the depth of water in the pond is 0.45 meter. After finishing the calculation, if have extra time, students are encouraged to do a quick check to make sure the answers are correct. Okay, so from the first diagram, okay, just try substitute the value of x and y into this area of PQRS is 6y times 7x, which is 42xy. Okay, x is 4 over 3 and y is 3. So we get area is 168. So the first information is correct. For the second information, okay, PQ is 6y, QR is 7x, SR is 6y, and PTS is pi times r. Okay, our r is 7x over 2 and pi is 22 over 7. Okay, so 6y plus 6y here is 12y, and then we cancel out here, so we get 11x. Okay, so perimeter now is 12y plus 18x. Substitute x equals to 4 over 3 and y equals to 3, and we get 60 meters. So the second information is also correct. Next, for the volume of the water, which is area of PTS times D. Okay, area of PTS is half times pi r square times the depth. Okay, so substitute r equals to 7x over 2, pi is 22 over 7, and substitute x equals to 4 over 3 here. Okay, and solve. Okay, so can use also calculator so that the process is more faster. Then we get 15.4. So the third information is also correct. So our answer is also correct.